Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be back. Are we excited, Aussies?
So excited.
Because we have a very special guest here today. Aunty Tala, everyone. I'm big proud of her.
Hey guys, I'm just really happy that you guys can join me in my show today.
It's actually our show, but never mind, we forgive you for that one.
Okay, dear Barnes and Barnes.
Yeah, oh.
Yeah,
just
and you are, and Aunty Tala.
And me,
I didn't see that in the letter, but never mind, yeah.
I want to pursue my singing career, but my parents keep giving me the nurse or nun lecture. So if and they yelled out, boo! What to do from boo-hoo, because it's all in caps, so they're shouting at us. What do you say, Auntie?
Well, I think you...
No, you go first.
No, you go
first.
first.
No, after you. Because
you
the special guest.
Yeah, please, Aunty Tala, I think you should go first.
What happens is, we've got like a formula that happens here.
Okay, so...
Usually what happens is that she reads the letter.
Yeah.
And then she asks me for my expertise, and then I give my expertise, and then what happens is that she sort of responds to that. But this time she didn't actually look at me, she looked straight at you. So I'm just gonna let you guys go, because you're the special guest. Go.
This is your show. This is your show, and they brought me in to make it better. That's why they bring me here, to try and bring it up.
Well, they said that they felt sorry for Aunty Tala, and that's why we had to have you on our show.
I wonder why you talk about her like that.
What she what?
Yeah, tell her.
Auntie, what did she say to you, Auntie? Tell me everything. What did she do?
Huh? You tell
No,
me.
Auntie, look at me straight. Look at me straight. What did she say?
Well...
Yes?
Auntie!
I don't want to break up your relationship.
No.
I don't want to take over this show by myself.
Oh my gosh.
Other than myself.
Yeah.
Okay, think go on the letter.
Well, I believe it's like what the mother is saying is if you're going to sing, I'm going to make you go see the nurse.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because you were a singer back then with Mariah Carey.
Can you just give us a little kind of, sample?
You make me feel like a natural woman. Wow.
Oh my gosh, we're like Destiny's children.
No, I think I'm the only one that can sing. Yeah.
Yeah, I like calling you Boo.
Yeah. I like calling her Nan.
Well, Punan.
Yeah.
Punani.
Hey, speaking of boogie nananas, there's lots of really yummy nananas to be watched on Mr. Fresh.
Bananas.
Mr. Lova.
What? 2000.
Wow.
My name is Gary Totalafua. I'm a full Samoan. I'm second year student studying Bachelor of Sport and Recreation, majoring in exercise science, and I'm a physique competitor. You gotta be well groomed, have that model look and charisma when you're on stage. Weekly routine, I try smash 5 days of training to stay fit.
This exercising his pectorals and his deltoid? Yeah, moving it down to in the fresco, the fratergizing his infant brother guy.
What?
Yeah.
I admire Sonny Bill Williams. Every time I see him on TV, he's being interviewed, the one thing he always says that I respect is, as long as I'm providing for my family, that's all that matters. So respect for that man.
What did you think about that?
Wow, I thought that, he's got no mates. He's training by himself.
Yeah.
That's why he's got time to get big muscles.
It's been so amazing having you on our show. It's taken it to an all-time high.
Everyone says that.
Everyone does.
Everyone. Even she was saying when you were going away, she said, I'm amazing. Then when you went, she said, I was amazing.
Yeah,
but
did she say that to you?
all the time. She said,
nice
hey,
to know,
you're prettier than Pani. And I said, don't say that. Stab her in the front, not the back. There's about 4 knives.
Oh my gosh, was there like a whole collection of knives?
There.
Well, tune in next time when we have the Pani and Aunty Tala show.
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll have the other Pani in as a special guest. She might be at home sharpening her knives.
Yeah.
Might not be able to make it.
Well, you really said
No,
it.
you. I don't know if it's a good idea to bring you back, Aunty Tala.
She already talked about you.
Yeah, let's do that over lunch.
I'll be here to give you some advice next week. I'm not sure if these two will be together because they'll probably kill each other before next week.
Gosh.
Stop.